Andy here. I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you would subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I am bringing you my May Boxycharm by Ipsy. So if you want to see what's in my box, hear all the details, why I brought it back, then let's go ahead and just get on into it. Alright, if you don't know anything about Boxycharm, it is a subscription box, obviously, for makeup, skincare, beauty. You can get hair care, nail care, but it's mostly beauty and skincare. You get 5 full-size items for, I believe it's $30 plus the $1.99 handling fee. You do get to pick 3 of these items on the 1st through the 3rd of the month, and then Ipsy picks the other 2 based off your profile. There should be up to $200 plus in value in your box. There will always be a card which tells you the theme, which for May is Born to Bloom. This month is a reminder to bloom at your own pace and find beauty in every step of the journey. No perfection required. And then it tells you to save the dates for the Mega Drop Shop and when to build your box at the bottom here. Beautiful. And then on the back, you can scan the QR code to learn about your box. It'll take you straight to the app if you have the app, or it'll open like a browser page and take you straight to that. And then on the back, we have May's limited edition mystery bags, which are gorgeous. I love this print. And then we have a sneak peek for something that could be in Boxycharm in the next few months. So we have the Ole Henriksen Lemonade Smoothing Scrub. Would love to have that. The Formula Z Pretty Magic Palette. I don't like how that looks. No, thank you. And the Fenty Skin Thick and Smooth Peptide Eye Cream. So I'm not really into eye creams, but it's Fenty. So if I got it, I'd give it a try. But I just do not like how this palette looks. So no, thank you. But I would absolutely try a strawberry lemonade scrub. That sounds amazing. Before we get into the 5 products, first, when you either re-sign up, because it's been 3 months since I've gotten a box, or if you're signing up for the first time, you do not get to make a choice. They choose all 5 products for you based off your profile. So please really do take the time to make sure that your profile is up to date, up to your standards. And honestly, every month you should be going in and updating your profile, making sure that it's still what you're wanting to receive to get the most accurate box that you can. Also, I resubscribed because I just kind of miss these. As much as I talked crap about these boxes, because I did, because I don't like them, we don't have a lot of like beauty box options that are good. So I love my ice cream beauty box, but I don't know. I don't want to get Allure because of all the skincare. I don't want to get Birchbox because of all the skincare, hair care. FabFitFun was kind of on my list, but I don't know. I'm still iffy on that. I've gotten it before and I was really disappointed in FabFitFun. So I don't know. I don't know how long this will stay on the channel again because I was really disappointed before, but I just kind of missed making all the choices. I love that we get to choose all the products, not all of them, but we get so much choice. I already made my choice for June for my glam bag. You've already, by the time you see this, will have seen my regular glam bag video, which I thought that was phenomenal. My Ipsy glam bag, much better than the Boxycharm, just off the jump. But without further ado, let's get into the products. So we will start with this guy. So this is from Blink. Hopefully you can read it there. And this is their tubing mascara in the shade Black. So like I said, this is full size. And there's 9 mils in here. So it's their amplified tubing mascara. It says here, cruelty-free, gluten-free, phthalate-free, paraben-free, sustainable packaging. Ideal for sweat, tears, sensitive eyes, and oily skin. Which is amazing, because I have sensitive eyeballs. Feels like very nice packaging. I do like this. It says that this is an ultra longwear formula that delivers a soft glam look. Ooh. With natural looking volume, length, and a semi-matte finish. Smudge free and water resistant, it won't run or flake, yet removes effortlessly with warm water. Smells like mascara. Because some mascaras do smell good, but this smells like mascara. I love this fluffy wand. I'm not going to lie to you. I am extremely excited to give this a try. I just put to rest my mascara I've been using because it was time. Let's see. So, $26 for this guy, which, I mean, isn't horrible. I don't know. I feel like drugstore mascaras are just as good now, but that's neither here nor there. We have from First Aid Beauty, which I do love First Aid Beauty, but this is their Brighten and Glow Eye Cream. So this retails for $36 for 15 mils. This illuminating eye cream gives you an instant glow, while niacinamide works to reduce dark circles over time. Infused with peach micropearls, it helps revitalize and hydrate while leaving your under eye area dewy and refreshed. Gently apply to the orbital eye area. Well, that's nice, because not all eye creams can you actually do on the whole orbital area. Some they tell you just under the eye. It says it's safe for sensitive skin, which I think all First Aid Beauty products are. We love to see it. Dermatologist tested, no artificial fragrance. Okay. Are you sealed? No, you're not. So I guess I'm going to keep it. Let's see. Oh, it has tint. I guess that's the peach micropearls. I don't smell anything. Ooh, that felt nice. Because I don't believe in eye cream. But this is giving something I could put on before I come do makeup. Before primer, maybe? I'm actually interested. I was not excited for that, but I am now more interested. It's very smooth on the hand. Next, we have from Mally Beauty. Cute box. And this is the cheek stick in the shade On the Mauve. This is $26 and you get 6.5 grams in this guy. So this is a multi-use face stick. Oh, okay, there's a whole box. So here's let me throw it. Here's the actual packaging. It's a multi-use face stick that is a shortcut to a luminous on-the-glow radiance. No brush needed. It blurs imperfections and leaves a flawless glowing finish. Sweep along cheekbones, lips, or anywhere you want the perfect glowing touch. So I'm not going to touch this because I'm going to put this in my box that I'm sending off for my giveaway winner. But this is the color. I think the color's pretty, but oh, it has a beautiful scent. I don't need any more cream products. So I'm going to stick this right back in its box to send on its merry way. So $26. And then we have from Ace Beauté, and this is their hydrating face primer. So this retails for $34, and this is a full ounce, so 30 mils. And this is a hydrating primer that keeps your makeup looking fresh and locked in for as long as you need while not drying your skin out. It helps keep skin moisturized and radiant all day long. This is not listed on Ace Beauté's website, so, you know, they're reformulating and going through everything, so who knows how old this really is. It is sealed completely. I'm not opening this. I'm sending this off to my giveaway winner. If they don't want to use it, they can either pass it on or throw it out. It might be totally fine, but I don't want Ace Beauté products anymore. I'm over it. I'm done. No, thank you. And last but certainly not least, we have a big old box here from Poreless. Ooh, she is pretty. It's gorgeous. And this is the Glow Revival Facial Oil. This is $49 for 1 ounce or 30 mils. And it's this nourishing face oil that locks in moisture for a smooth, radiant, and hydrated skin. Infused with algae oil to help even skin tone, violet leaf oil to soothe, and oolong and rice seed oils to help boost elasticity and brightness. It leaves your complexion soft and glowing. Promotes skin elasticity. Yeah. Prep skin with your favorite serums and moisturizers, and then smooth a small amount onto the face and neck. What does the box say? Anything else? It gives you all your ingredients, all the oils. Tells you about those 4 oils. Gives you the ritual. Free from a whole bunch of things. Facial oil that locks in moisture, leaving your skin smooth, radiant, and hydrated. Listen. So I have combo. I used to have just oily skin. Now I have more combo skin. I'm getting, as I hit 30 and my skin was like, we're going to suck all the moisture from your face. I do still get oily, but I have more drier skin now than I did. But I don't use facial oil because I don't need to add any more oils to my face. But, because I was going to pass this on. When I originally saw this on my app, I was like, great. The most expensive thing in the box is an oil and I'm not going to use it. But all the things that it says that it does sounds really nice. So we got nourishing and evening skin tone. I have acne scarring. I have rosacea. So that sounds wonderful. Soothes irritation and calms sensitive skin. I do have sensitive skin. I have rosacea. That's wonderful. Boosts skin elasticity. I don't really care about that, but that's fine. Supports smoother, brighter skin. I don't really care about smoother skin, but brighter skin, I'm all for that. So, I think I'm going to keep this and try this. I was honestly not prepared to keep the skincare. But since this wasn't sealed, I'm not going to send this off, so I'm going to try it. And granted, technically this isn't sealed either, but I have a box for this, and I don't know. But let's see. What's it smell like? So we have a nice little pipette. Let's just do one little dot. Oh, that one dot went over my entire hand, so definitely a little dab will do ya. It smells nice, but it's soft. Like, it's kind of floral. It smells like my grandma. But, like, in a good way. I love the scent. So I'm going to give that a second to sink in. But I'm very excited. I was not prepared to keep the skincare, but we ball. So, $49 for this guy. We'll talk about it once it sinks in. Then we have $34, $26, $36 for the eye cream, and finally $26 for the mascara, which gives us a brand spanking total of $171 for my box, which isn't bad. I've had worse, I've had much worse, and I've had better, but it's not bad. Especially when I didn't get to make any choices. I'm only getting rid of 2 products, and to be honest, I could keep them. This is a primer that, based on what it does, I would use this. I don't need it, and it's fine. I can send it off to my giveaway winner, and I can finally get their box sent out. And this, the same. The color is beautiful. I love stick products, so I could, in theory, keep this and maybe love it. But I have so many cream products, I just don't need another one. So since I'm about to send off that box anyway, this can be included. So all in all, a great box. That is so, like, it doesn't feel oily. It really did just sink in nice, and it left my hand smooth. But at least I know, like, 1-2 drops. So this is going to last me a while. Especially since we're heading into summer months. So I'm excited. I'll have to report back on the skincare. Obviously, you know, you guys will see the mascara. I'll probably report on that ASAP, but I'm excited on that guy. So that is going to do it for my Boxycharm video for the month of May. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.